Okay, so hey guys, I'm going to do a trade review on the 14th of July. So for this day, it's a Monday and it's a CPI week. So and I have rest on this day only. So I'm going to trade, and if I'm going to trade, I'm going to trade the pre-market, which is 7 to 8:30. Okay, so generally I like to wait for 7 a.m. and see what price do until 7:30, then only I'll engage. Okay, so first off, for the context wise, you can see all daily lows has been raided and two of them has been raided right here. Okay, so and you can see this is a 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, you can see all daily lows raided and then move up. I'm seeing this as a market structure shift. So I'm seeing for lower higher price. Okay, this 1 hour break over here, I'm seeing if price wants to enter it. Why? New week opening gap CE right here with bummy buy size rated, so it's very reasonable for price to reach lower. Okay, so lower where? Lower into here, and it can do some sell size rate at the same time. Okay, so getting right into it. Okay, so 717, nice spike lower. Okay, so what I'm saying, I want to see lower price. I want to see higher price, right? But first, I want to see price move into this breakaway gap. So far, very nice. You can see buy trader, buy side trader, and then we move lower. Can we continue lower and reach for the 1 hour BC? Okay, I have the 1 hour BC high outline also. Okay, so right here is the 1 hour BC high. Okay, so at this point, what I want to see is sell size has been constantly raided. You can sell size raided. Now I want to see price start showing some sort of consolidation if you're going to move higher. Okay. And I want to see price keep this low intact. Okay, now I'm measuring this price show difficulty in moving lower. That's basically what I'm waiting for. And you see the 5 minute chart, we form the left curve low already. Okay, so we can move up higher now. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. Okay, now we start showing signs of consolidation. Short term low, short term low, short term low. So this makes it intermittent low. And also remember that we just bump off that 1 hour BC. Okay, and here on the 5 minute chart, we just entered this 5 minute BC. So this very well can be a intermittent low. Okay, now you can see price is showing very hard to move lower. It's not even raiding any more lows, but we push up for the highs again. After we push up for the high, now I'm seeing this price show any willingness of taking sell sides, because if it doesn't, then I'm seeing it as a then it's proven it as a market structure shift. So right here we spike lower now, and also this is a midnight opening range also. Okay, we are holding off the midnight opening range as well. Most importantly, sell size rated, and we are consolidating on here. Okay, you can see right at this point, you can see we have taken out a short-term low, but price did just sink lower. Okay, it sink lower, but it couldn't reach this low. It couldn't break that low. Okay, so that gave me confidence that we don't want to break any more lows. Now we want to move higher. Okay, here I went long based on order blocks. Okay, this whole thing I'm seeing as an order block, and my stop loss right below here. 54 tick stop loss, which is around 10 stop loss. So it's almost a 1 to 1 point something trade. Quite good trade, good risk reward. Okay, now, and to be honest, initially I just wanted to put in an order to fill the market. It was a test water kind of trade, but it turned out that we started expanding higher. That's why I'm thinking, okay, it's a we can move higher to here, which is the 7 a.m. low, and it's my low hanging fruit. Okay, why? Very very obvious buy side has been constantly raided only, and then sell side has been constantly raided here. Sell side raided here, sell side raided here, sell side raided here. Where is the most logical buy side? Here. Okay, and on a higher time frame, I'm seeing for higher price. Okay, so the current price action aligns with the higher time frame movement, which makes this a high probability trade. And I'm taking off at the lowest hanging fruit because I have only one project. Okay, now this free trade very nice. So now whenever at this point, okay, when price reach for this point, I want to see price expand above it. You can see we close above the CE. That is a first line that of information that saying okay, this trade is good. Then we close, we open here, we touch the CE and then bounce back up, and then we expanded, continue expanding higher past this CB. It could have just held here, and that would mean that we would need some retracement. That's why you see I threw my stop loss. Okay, so for this trade, reach for 7 a.m. high, very nice trade, and that's it for this trade review. See you guys in the next one.